Hello students, this is video number 56 for third semester B students 18 MAT 31. The topic is calculus of variations. Question number 1, find the extremal of the functional integration x1 to x2 y dash plus x square y dash square dx. To solve this problem, so though it is a first session of this new topic, in theory part we'll see a little about step by step working procedure for solving a variational problems. So it will be given in question, that is I is equals to integration x1 to x2 f of x y y dash dx to find the function y such that I is an extremum. That means that is the necessary condition is 0, delta I is equals to 0, which is also equivalent to the Euler's equation. We have to use this equation. What is that? Dou f by dou y minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash is equals to 0. In next step, we adopt this equation, Euler's equation, for the function f of x y y dash, which will result in ordinary differential equation in y. In last step, we will solve for y. So from problem, we have to solve for y using a suitable method, which will result in required y with arbitrary constants, that is k1 k2 c1 c2 like that. So that is the final answer, that is general solution of this problem. Let us start solving this problem. So find the extremal of the functional integration x1 to x2 y dash plus x square y dash square dx. So first let f of x y and y dash is equals to y dash plus x square y dash square, x square y dash square. Next we'll use Euler's equation. Euler's equation is dou f by dou y minus d by dx of dou f by dou y dash is equals to 0. That means dou by dou y of f is, so it is y dash plus x square y dash square minus d by dx of this term dou by dou y dash of f is y dash plus x square y dash square, so is equals to 0. Next, dou by dou f of partial differentiation with respect to y is not there, that means this whole term is constant, so it is 0. Y is not there with respect to y asked. Next, d by dx of, with respect to y dash, here with respect to y dash, dou by dou y dash of y dash is 1 plus dou by dou y dash with respect to y dash is there, so x square is constant, it is, so x square is constant, 2 y dash, it is 2 y dash is equals to 0, or d by dx of 1 plus 2 x square y dash to x square y dash is equals to 0. Next, integrating with respect to x, we get So integration of this term, integration of d by dx. So it becomes, so d by dx of x, if you treated this as x, d by dx of x is 1, that means integration of 1 is again x, that means, so answer is x only. It is 1 plus 2x square y dash is equals to, we'll write constant k1. So k1 is a constant. So y dash is there here. So y dash is equals to, y dash is nothing but dy by dx is equals to, so k1 is there, k1, so minus 1 and divided by 2x square. Now again integrating, we get, so this is integration of y dash is equals to integration of, so k1 minus 1 divided by 2, it is a constant, so k1 minus 1 divided by 2 and integration of 1 upon x square with respect to x. So integration of y dash is what we required in this problem. We required final answer is y. So we got here integration of y dash is equals to y. Next this term constant k1 minus 1 divided by 2. So integration of 1 by x square is nothing but minus 1 by x. So differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. In this minus sign is there plus. So it is minus 1 by x plus c2 constant. And now let 1 minus k1 divided by 2 is equals to c1. Say 1 minus k1, so minus symbol is there, minus it is, so minus into minus plus 1 minus k1 divided by 2, so it becomes c1. So therefore y is equals to c1 1 minus k1 by 2 c1 and this x c1 divided by x plus c2. This is a required, we can write here, thus y is equal to c1 by x plus c2. Very simple question for 6 to 7 marks. I hope you understood this problem.